What should you tell when you are buying new? Be more careful, though you can find dinner. I know anybody pour my drink, I know anybody buy my dinner.
What's up, 1KK gang? Welcome back to my channel. I just came back from the gym looking messy as, but I just wanted to do this video because I am so excited to get my camera. It came in the mail today. I didn't want to open it off camera, so I'm like, listen, I'm gonna do this video right now looking messy. I don't care, come fight me so I can unbox it on camera because I can't wait. I can't wait another day. It's here. I mean, it came before the time I was expecting it to come, but it's here and I'm looking at it and I just have to open it. But I want to do it on camera. But before I get into this video, I just want to thank you guys for supporting me, supporting my channel. I love you guys so much. And yeah, let's get right into it. I don't know if I've mentioned this in other videos, but I've been making videos on my phone, the iPhone 8 Plus, and boy, I'm telling you, I love the quality and everything, but space, it's always a problem with space. My iCloud is not backing up. I have to be on the phone with Apple every day, and I'm paying $2.99 a month for storage, iCloud storage, and it's still a problem. Plus, on the other hand, why I got this camera is that I just want to start vlogging, and my phone with the storage problem, nah, box just little and cute. So this is the Canon PowerShot G7X Mark II camera. Oh my goodness, I am so excited. I'm just so excited to have my camera. Like, I am so happy. Like, you guys just don't understand. Canon cameras are on the expensive side, but the quality, I just wanted to get something really good. You know, all your little information about the camera. That's what I'm looking for, something small, not heavy, just lightweight that I can vlog with, because I'm gonna start vlogging. So yes, this is it. It's so cute. Hold on there, let me finish unbox before we get into the quality, to see the quality. What I like about this camera, it has a flip screen. You could flip it up like this, or you could have it like this. So cute, so cute. Here's the battery for the camera.
You're listening to R&B Instrumentals.
All right, so I have to do all the setting, like set the date and the time and everything. Like, yes. Oh my goodness, look at it. I'm gonna insert the memory card, and you can store your information on this and put it on your computer, from the camera to the computer, and get all your information, like your photos, your videos, and stuff like that. You can store all your photos and videos on the USB thumb drive type thing. Also, what I love about this camera, it works with Wi-Fi. Like, you can transfer your pictures and videos from your camera to your phone, or from your phone to your camera, from your camera to your computer. Wi-Fi. It also comes with the lens and screen cleaning kit to clean. I like this packaging. To clean is a part of the cleaning kit. It also comes with, what is this? Let's see. Kim. Well done. We'll figure it out along the way what this is. I don't know. It's to charge the battery. It comes with a 32GB memory card. I'll leave the link in my description box for this camera, where I got it, everything, the whole kit. Also, it came with this pouch, a pouch. It's so small and cute to fit everything inside of. If you're traveling, you can have this little cute bag to put all your little goodies, your camera, your cleaning, your memory card, your charger. Also, for the camera, I purchased a stand from Best Buy. It's called a Gorilla Pod. Just a small little Just a small little stand so I can hold the camera to get a good grip. Easy to hold. Just something small just to put the camera on. It's flexible. You could open it, you could bend it. See? You could have it as a stand, or you could just close it. Like this. You see how it is on the pictures? The different ways you could set this stand. Yes. And like I said, it's called the Gorilla Pod. Alright, so now I'm gonna test the camera to see the quality and everything. So BRB. The camera is blinking. Oh shoot. The battery is about to die, guys. Like, gosh, it's about to die. But I have to do some more videos coming. I'll let you guys know how I feel about this camera, what I like about it, and you know, the features. For now, I don't really know much because I just opened it. This is just the unboxing, but so far I love it. I'm using the camera right now. If you guys made it to the end of my video, thank you so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe and stay tuned for more videos. Bye.